When most people decide they want to learn coding, they start the same way. They grab a tutorial, follow along, type whatever the instructor types, and for that moment, they feel like they're learning something real. But a few days later, everything they learned slips away. The motivation drops, the concepts start to feel confusing again, and suddenly they think coding is too hard for them. So today, I want to talk to you like someone who has been through that exact cycle and finally figured out what it really takes to learn coding the right way. Learning coding the right way is not about finding the perfect tutorial, the perfect course, or the perfect programming language. The truth is, you can learn coding with almost any language and any tool. What actually matters is how you approach it. Most beginners try to memorize everything. They think they need to remember every definition and every line of syntax. But coding does not work like school. Coding is not about memorizing. It is about understanding patterns. Once your brain learns the pattern, the syntax becomes easier every time. Another mistake people make is jumping around too much. One day they learn Python, the next day they move to JavaScript, then they start learning React, then they switch to Flutter because they saw someone on TikTok building something cool. You cannot build confidence when you keep switching the moment things get difficult. Coding gets easier when you stay with one language long enough to get comfortable with the basics. Not perfect, just comfortable. That is when your brain starts connecting the dots. You also have to understand that watching tutorials is only the first step. Tutorials give you the map, but they do not walk the journey for you. The right way to learn coding is to take what you learn from a tutorial and then immediately try something on your own. It does not have to be a big project. It can be something tiny like a calculator or a small game or a simple website. What matters is that you are using the concepts yourself. That is how the knowledge sticks. Another part of learning coding the right way is accepting that confusion is normal. You are not supposed to understand everything immediately. Every developer, even the most experienced ones, still search things up. They still forget syntax. They still run into errors. The difference is that they don't panic when they get stuck. They look at the problem piece by piece. They Google, they test ideas, they try again. Your real skill in coding is not how fast you learn something, but how calm and curious you remain when things stop working. You also need consistency. Not those long 10-hour coding sessions once a week. Your brain learns better through small daily repetition. Even if you can only do 30 minutes a day, that is enough to build real progress. Think of coding like going to the gym. You will not see results by lifting weights once a month. You grow by showing up again and again, even when you do not feel like it. Consistency builds confidence, and confidence makes coding fun. Another important part of learning coding the right way is learning to break problems into smaller steps. Beginners try to solve everything in one go and get overwhelmed. Professionals break everything down. If a task feels too big, you are not supposed to push harder. You are supposed to split it into smaller tasks until each one feels simple. Coding becomes easy when you stop trying to do everything at once. You should also focus on understanding the why behind what you are doing. Do not just copy code. Ask yourself why this line is here, why this logic works, why this order matters. When you understand the why, you can rebuild anything from scratch without relying on tutorials. And finally, the right way to learn coding is to build things that genuinely interest you. When you work on something you enjoy, you learn faster. You stay motivated longer. You remember things more easily. Your brain is excited. You do not have to force yourself. Suddenly, coding stops feeling like a chore and starts feeling like creativity. The real secret to learning coding the right way is simple. Stay with one language long enough to get comfortable. Practice small projects on your own. Accept confusion as part of the journey. Be consistent even in small amounts. Break problems down until they feel easy, and build things that actually matter to you. If you do these things, you will learn faster than you ever thought possible. Coding does not belong to geniuses. It belongs to the people who stay curious. It belongs to the people who do not quit when it gets confusing. It belongs to the people who try again. That can be you. You just have to trust the process and keep going.